I'm Kayla Heineman. I graduated Morrisville with a bachelor's in agricultural business and associates in dairy science. I currently am a sales consultant for TIMAC AGRO USA. I work with many growers from fruit and vegetable to row crop, and my job is to consult them with products on our line that fit their need. In the field, we do a lot of soil sample, tissue sampling, and we build programs for the growers. I really enjoy that, seeing the growers and producing quality fruits and vegetables and improving their yields. With the stand, I do everything pretty much, from the production side of growing the produce to marketing and putting everything on the stand every morning.
Here at Morrisville, we prepare our female agribusiness development students for their careers by giving them experiences that not only give them the technical skills needed to succeed, but also the confidence to succeed as well.
Having a product development class in marketing, I was part of Dairy Challenge, and that really gave me the opportunity to see other aspects of agriculture, especially in the dairy industry, and actually consult and see different things. That actually helps me run my business every day, from spreadsheets to doing everything and what I should look at my business to be more efficient. A lot of people are probably come from a farm that go to Morrisville, and learning the business aspect of your farm, making sure that you're investing in the right things on your farm and to take home as much as you can at the end of the day. There's so many classes and so many ways to diversify in agriculture, from fruit farms to vegetable farms and dairy farms, that it's endless to learn all about the business and apply it to your home farm.